How to advertise on Twitter? If you want to advertise on Twitter, here's the tutorial. Open your browser on your phone and type ads.twitter.com. Enter. To access advanced feature of Twitter ads, visit ads.twitter.com on a desktop browser. So you must change this browser to a desktop site. Click triple dot at the top right and check on the desktop site. And you can access ads on Twitter. Choose a campaign, for example, just simple. And what's your objective? Select one. You can select reach or engagement. You can select website traffic and keywords, but I still select engagement. And then click next at the bottom right. And you must to add text or tweet that you want to advertise. Maybe you can add media like photo or video or something else. And you can see review from your ad on Twitter. And you can see promote under the tweet. If everything is good, just click next button at the bottom right and set demographics. Gender, any women or men. I select women. And then on the age, you can all or age range from 18 to 49 maybe. And at specific location, maybe my city in Indonesia, Banjarmasin. Oh no result. Maybe Jakarta. Yeah, select Jakarta. And targeting pictures, you can set specific targeting audience, maybe operating system, maybe iOS and Android. Language too, maybe English. And other settings. If everything is good, you can click launch campaign at the bottom right. And your campaign is ready to launch. Click go to Ads Manager. And you can see your campaign at the Ads Manager on Twitter. Okay, but you need to top up the payment to run this ad. For your information, my ad still pending verification because I do not complete the payment. This is just an example. You must complete the payment first and boost the ad. Okay, so don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to this channel, and see you in the next video and have a nice day.